Hello and good morning. Welcome to Morning at NTV. My name is Idris Matu, and today we are talking about money. We look for it, but how do I keep it? And in studio today I have Miss Gunila Ouko, Head of Customer Network, Barclays Bank. You're welcome, madam.
Thank you very much.
You're looking lovely.
Thank you.
So, today we are talking about prestige banking.
Okay.
Before we get into any details, what is prestige banking?
Okay. So, prestige banking is basically where where we move out from your traditional banking, where you're used to coming into the banking hall, and we say, what is the lifestyle of our customer? So I know that my customer, outside work, he goes to the gym, he shops, he travels, he goes on holiday, and then what do? I make sure that I have a banking proposition that meets that need. So I serve him in the bank, but I also serve him outside the bank. So basically, prestige banking in summary is what we call lifestyle banking. I fit into the lifestyle of the customer. I make sure that my banking is meeting the need of the customer. So when the customer travels, I make sure that I have negotiated this discount so that when he goes to the lounge, he can go and sit and wait in the lounge as opposed to waiting out in the open area.
Okay.
Yeah.
I feel
So
like
it's lifestyle banking.
I feel like it's one of those things that makes me feel like a special person.
Yes, it's
Prestige,
one of those, it's
prestigious.
Yeah.
Well, what are the benefits?
Okay. So prestige banking has very many benefits. Number one, first of all, customers want to benefit to prosper their lives. So one thing we do for them is that we give them an unsecured loan of up to 150 million. Unsecured.
Wow.
Yes.
Unsecured. When you say unsecured, what does
No
that mean?
security. So all you have to do is to be a salaried person. So we use your salary as you would call your salary as the security, but
Of up
it's
to
unsecured.
150.
150 million.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Then another benefit of prestige customers is that you have a prestige debit card, and it's a special debit card, and that debit card does a lot of things. Number one, you can be able to withdraw from our ATM up to 3 million shillings daily. You can be able to swipe. So let's say you travel, you can use that card and swipe on the different POS machines, and up to a limit of about 25 million. Then also another thing that I really like about Prestige is that our customers get a life cover. So what we have done for our customers is that instead of, if you're a Prestige customer, you actually do not need to get a life insurance cover. We actually do it on your behalf. And in the event that a Prestige customer passes on, we actually pass on a 21 million benefit to that customer, to the family.
Wow.
Then another thing we do for the prestige customers is if the customer passes away as well, we have a 2 million benefit, a 2 million funeral expense benefit as well that we pass on to the customer. Another thing is we have extended banking hours. So for a prestige customer, they don't have to worry. They can come to the banking hall at 5, they can come to at 6.
Can I come at 8?
No, I have a solution for 8.
What is the
solution I have for 8 o'clock is that now our ATMs are called intelligent ATMs, the IATMs. So in the IATM, you can actually go there and do what you'd have done in the bank. So you can go and withdraw money, you can actually deposit. So you don't even need to hurry up and be in the bank at 6 o'clock. Then another thing that Prestige customers also have is we have a very good internet banking platform, so our customers can now be able to pay bills off the phone. You don't need to come to the bank anymore.
Nice. So all these benefits, if you're not a Prestige account holder, you don't access such benefits.
You don't access such benefits.
Perfect. Go on, please.
Yeah. And then, so I was talking to you about the phone, and about internet banking. So another thing you can do, you can pay your utility bills. You don't need to come to the bank anymore. If you want to be able to transfer your money from, let's say, your current account to your savings account, you can do it without coming to the bank. Then we also have different services that you can use there. You can be able to send money to client, to your friends, or pay your bills, or pay your workers using your phone. Yeah. And then apart from that, you have access to the different lounges all over where Barclays has wherever the Barclays bank is. So for example, you have that card, the Prestige card. I can go into the lounge, into the Prestige lounge in Kenya. I can go into the Prestige lounge in Zambia. I can be able to access anywhere, Mozambique, wherever Barclays is. So the Prestige customer also has this access. Then another thing we've also done, we know that sometimes our customers are also very busy, so we have the Acacia branch, and Acacia branch is open even on Sunday. So our customer can actually walk in there from 10 to 12, can walk in there. Then
That's
also
quite very convenient.
Yes, then also Prestige Banking customers don't have to worry about, we have set aside branches for them. You can go to Garden City and bank from there. You can go to Acacia, you can go to Tankill, you can go to Garden City.
So these branches are not accessible to
Everyone
non-Prestige
else.
account
They
holders.
they are priority branches for Prestige Banking customers.
Wow.
Yes.
Now, these are so many benefits.
Yes.
Yeah? Unsecured loans of up to 150 million, internet banking, life cover of 20 M, debit cards. How do I become a Prestige banker?
Yeah. I also forgot something that I need to actually mention. We also have the best credit card. So this customer actually also gets a credit card as well. If they want, they can actually apply for a credit card as well. But how do you become a Prestige customer? So a Prestige customer is, we are looking at a customer who earns a net of 3 million shillings, or if he's a business person, then they have to have like a turnover of about 10 million shillings. Then they actually qualify for Prestige banking.
Say that again. When you say you have a turnover of how much?
Your account turns of about 10 million shillings monthly.
Now, explain it in a layman's view, because
so the
I might not understand
money
what you're
that
saying.
you usually bank, money that the way you run your account, money that you bank in, money that you take out, when you net that, it's your turnover. So what you turn over in that account is an average of about 10 million shillings.
Every month?
Yes, every month. You can join
So
Prestige.
if I'm earning less than
Salary.
that and turning over less than 10 M, I cannot become a Prestige banker. Oh, nice.
Yes,
We should
but a
work
salary,
very hard.
Yes, a net salary of about 3 million shillings. Yeah, you can qualify to join Prestige.
There's something they call alliance partners.
Yes.
Tell me more about this.
Okay, so like I mentioned to you, I think one of the things we've done as Barclays that with a Prestige customer, we are with our customers from the time they join to the bank to the time they pass on. And one of the alliance partners we have is ICA, and what we do with them is that we then negotiate a life cover for the customer. So if in the event that a customer passes on, we actually pass 21 million shillings benefit to the next of kin.
To the next of kin.
Another alliance partner we have, if you're the kind of person who enjoys your perfumes, your what, we have negotiated a 10% discount with Uganda duty free. A customer can go there. So if you're a Prestige customer and I'm not a Prestige customer, you, by virtue of your card, will get a 10% discount on the same. Let's say we're buying the same perfume.
Yes.
You'll get a 10% discount. I won't get it because you're a Prestige customer. Uganda Wines and Spirit, if you enjoy your wine and your spirits, you also have a 10% discount there.
So many people should be happy about that.
Marasa, Christmas is coming. You want to go on holiday? We have a 10% discount.
Shopping.
Vacation. Yeah, we have a 10% discount there. Elite, if you're the kind of person who loves Apple products, we also have a 10% discount there. Then we also know that our customers really work hard. So sometimes you really need to calm down, tone down, relax. We've also negotiated a discount for you with a spa, soothing spa, in Garden City or Acacia Mall. With your card, you get a 12% discount. So there's so many. I know you those who like to go to Governor, you have a 50% discount on entry fees.
Even in Governor?
Yes, even in Governor.
This is incredible.
Yeah, Kampala Serena, you want to dine there, you have a 5% discount.
So literally, Prestige banking has covered all of my lifestyle.
Yes,
whatever I do out of office is covered.
Yes. So
let it be shopping, let it be vacation, let it be having a spa, having wine,
perfume,
wow.
Yeah.
Well, you had it here at Morning at NTV. If you earn a little bit of good money and you need to keep it, go to Barclays Bank and they will enter you into the Prestige banking, where you get a ton of benefits from unsecured loans of 150 million, debit cards, life cover, internet banking, credit cards, so much. What you need to do is to go to a branch next to you of Barclays Bank and you enter Prestige banking. Good morning.
You're watching Morning at NTV.